Hi, this is ABM Graphics. Yes, today is Monday again, and I'm here to guide you through on this particular profitable and good tutorial that I just want to show you on how to manipulate a background on this. You get that? Yes, as you are a startup photographer or you are learning how to edit pictures and you have a problem of editing the background, making it look very good. Either you use phone or you use a digital camera, but you have problem with changing the background to make it look nice, either studio backgrounds or art backgrounds or any kind of background. So today I am here again to show you how to do this perfectly, and I just want to take a step by step to do it so that you can understand it very well. So you just have to watch to the end of this video so that you can get all the resources that I have put in this video, and then you can get all of them. Yes, by the end of this thing I will be uploading the what is the name, the background that I'm going to use. I'm going to use two backgrounds, which is this and then this. You get that? Yes, and this particular background I'll put it in the link below, and then you can get it at the end of the video, and it has a password, and you have to watch all the video to the end before you can get the password. You get that? Yes. So first of all, this is what I did, and it looks very beautiful. This was the before, and there is the after. This is before and there is after, and it looks so much beautiful. And then this one too looks, this is before, this is after, and this is before. You get that? Yes, it looks so much beautiful, and I think you also like to learn all this, and you become good in that. You get that? Yes. So first of all, I'm just going to delete everything that I did over there. Then we start up our new this thing. All right, I'm deleting everything. Yes. So right now, this is what I have over there. I have the image over there. Then I remove the background, leaving only the subject over there. You get that? And I have not moved the subject to any place. I just leave her over there. So this particular lady we just want to change the background from here to different background. You get that? Yes. This was a studio or a gym center picture taken. Yes. So I just want to show you how to change the background to look somehow like a studio shoot. You get that? And people will like it. And if you are doing all this, you'll get more money from friends and families and all clients you may know, because a lot of people in this recent would like you to change their background to make it look so beautiful. You get that? Yes. So first of all, you have to remove the background like this and have it just like this. You get that? Yes. And when that is done, what you need to do is to go to file, then come to place a link to import in that particular background that you wish to use. So my background is in the desktop. So first of all, let's use this background first. Yes, that is what I'm going to use for now. You get that? After importing in the image, hold the alternate, and then you can drag it to fill that particular distance. Sorry, it has been, I have to lock up this place. Yes, so the transformation will do very well. You don't have to squeeze or do something. You get that? Yes. So I'll hold it just like that, and then let it fill. Okay, I think filling this is okay. Sorry, somewhere like this is okay for me. You get that? Yes. So because looking at it, you can see that it's like she's hanging, and that's not good. You get that? Yes. So what you need to do is to transform it, push it to the top, so that that particular lady will be like she's standing over there. You get that? Yes. So you can push it a little bit like this. I think this is okay, but you can see there is a space here. Don't worry about that. Come to the layer panel and right click on that particular layer and rasterize it. Then when you rasterize it, you come and pick a tool over here called rectangular marquee tool. You get that? Then you come and click and then draw something like this over there. You get that? And when that is done, what you need to do is to type Ctrl T to transform. You get that? Then you hold your shift and just transform it like this. It will look the same thing, and this looks so beautiful. Sorry. Yes, this looks so beautiful. You get that? Yes. As you can see, it's somehow beautiful and it's nice. You get that? Yes. So the next thing again I'm going to do is to on up this one and then duplicate it. The down layer, I'm just going to duplicate it and then move it to the top here. You get that? Then when I move it to the top here, the reason why I duplicate it and I move it to the top to cover that particular background, to cover this particular background, is that I just want to use the image, over there you can see shadows over here. So I want to use the shadows to reflect on my background. You get that? Yes. So that it will look neat and it won't look like it has been changed. You get that? Yes. So when you do something like this, on this particular thing, you change the blending mode from normal to what? To multiply. Just like that. You see, that is what you have now. You get that? And then when that is done, the next thing that you have to do is to add a layer mask to it. Layer mask is just here. Then you click layer mask added. Layer mask has been added and you can see it over here. You get that? Yes. There are two ways. It's either you invert it or just leave it and then do your work. So we are not inverting it. Let's do something over here. But I think inverting it will be nice. But let me just show you something here that you understand. Go and pick your brush tool over here. You get that? And then make sure that you are not brushing here. You have to brush from top to here. You get that? Yes. So let your layer mask selected. Here should be black. It's okay. Then you do what? Then you brush. You are brushing off the background. That is her initial background. That's the previous background. You get that? Yes. So you just have to take your time and brush it up. Try and brush everything out over there, just like that. Brush it just like that, and then you can zoom out and then come to the bottom here and then brush it very, very well. Try your best. As I do, you can either reduce your brush size whilst brushing. You get that? Yes. I just want it to look very beautiful and it doesn't have to look like it has been. So let's hide it. There is no what? There is no shadow again. The shadow has come back. You get that? So you have to just take your time and brush it up to get the beautiful this thing over there. Okay, brush this place. All right. Okay, then you have something like this. You get that? Yes, very easy. Within a minute we have changed the background to different thing all like that. You get that? And this looks so much beautiful. You get that? Yes. So we have transformed the background. We have transformed her background from this to this. They look so beautiful, and as you can see, no one will knows that this was not shooted in a studio of photography by a photographer. You get that? Yes. So next thing we have to do is to do the another one. Let's go to file again and then import in another link, another background, which is this. You get that? So we are importing it in like that. So over here too, you just have to hold your alternate and then move it a little bit, just like that. Okay, I think this way is okay for me. Then you click OK. You get that? Yes. For me, I can decide to say that I would have let us turn on this particular steps over here, but I don't like that. You get that? I just want to have something like this over there. You get that? So over here, I'm just going to drag it again to the top so that she will stand on the floor, just like that. So I think this way is okay. It's okay. You get that? Yes. So this is so much beautiful. Let me see, transform a little bit over here. I don't want her to look okay. I think somewhere here will be okay. Yes, somewhere here will be okay. Then the next thing I'm going to do over there is that I'm just going to pick my rectangular marquee tool and then drag something like that over there so that I can fill up those areas, those parts that has not that particular background. You get it? Yes. Then I can have something like this over there. This looks so cool for me and I liked it. You get that? Yes. So the next thing I'm going to do, let me just transform it a little bit down. Okay, this way is okay. Yes, this way is okay. You get that? Yes. So over here it's okay for me. You can decide to leave it like that, but no, let it look realistic. Add shadows to it to make it look very, very beautiful. You get that? This is how transformation has been done. You get that? Yes. So we are duplicating the down layer again. Then we move it to what? To the top over there. Then we change the blending mode to what? To multiply, just like that. That looks so beautiful. You get that? The next thing I'm going to do over here is that because this one, I want this particular background to communicate with the this background that I've just imported, and you can see the down part is look like a green color, you see, or white color. You get that? Yes. So because of that, when I import in this, when I duplicate and move this one to the top, and I change the blending mode to multiply, I'll go over to the adjustment layer over here and click, and then add this particular tool over there, that's black and white over there, just like that. This particular property, I'm just going to, so that you can see it become black. You get that? Let's add it. You get this? You get that? Yes. So I'm going to right click on it and then create a clipping mask in that particular this thing. You get that? Yes. And that looks so beautiful for me. So the next thing I'm going to do is to add a blending, is to add a layer mask to this particular layer over here. By clicking on this, it has been added. Looks also beautiful. Now let's go over and pick our brush tool. Then we brush out the areas that we don't like. You get that? These areas that we don't like it, so we just have to brush it out. Brush all that out. All right. I just want the shadow part to be on the floor so that people may not think, or may not even have the eyes to see that it was changed, the background was changed and all that. You get that? Yes. Only those who are retouchers can easily guess this, that it has been changed and all that. You get that? Yes. But if normal people, ordinary people may not think of that. You get that? Yes. So this is how we are doing that. And then as you're watching, keep on watching my videos. I have a lot of tutorials to do this year. Yes, last year was somehow bad for me, but I think it's okay. God has given me the faith to move on, and then I just want you to know that this year you will learn all the photography, graphic design, Photoshop, everything. You have to learn it. You get that? Yes. And next I will be giving you more tutorials on the Adobe Suite Pro distance apps. A lot of them I'll be giving you, so don't worry. And then anytime you need a video for me to do, don't hesitate to give me a comments, or I have my WhatsApp group. Then you can go there and then check, and then ask me for any tutorial that you cannot do. I'll help you do that. I'll use it for tutorial. Then a lot of people will also benefited from it. You get that? Yes. I'm just changing the forehead to white so that I can zoom out, and then I just want to show up that particular this edge. I just want to show up that this thing to show up very well. Okay. Yes, I just want it to show up so that it will look real. You get that? Yes, I just want to look real. You get that? So all this will be there. So when I close it up, you see that it has gone. It's there. Gone. Is there. Look beautiful. It's like she's standing, not knowing that this was a different thing altogether. You get that? Yes. So you can have that, and it looks so beautiful. And then you can check around if you know that those areas, this particular area, you're supposed to you have to check around. When you see that those areas too have shadows, you can try and do what you can try and reveal all those these things there, so that it will look nice. Yes, you just have to try all your best and then show up those areas that has the this thing, just like that. You show it up so that it won't look like it's fake. You get that? You don't have to let it look like it is fake. You just have to let it look real. Yes, that's photographers and graphic designers always turn what should I say, the ideas to reality. One of my friends just posted it. Yes, and then so we just have to show up what really matters to the world, and then we really have to do that so that we can do a lot to get that. Yes, yes. So you can have that, and then If you think that the background over there is not that well good, it has some kind of these things, don't worry. You can either add you can bright it out. If it is not that clear, it is not brighter, you can bright it out by going to image, then you come to adjustment, then you go to bright. This is the easiest way. You don't have to worry much on that. When it's like that, you just have to brush it up so that it will look nice. You get that? Yes. And then you can decide to add a contrast to it just like that so that it will look beautiful. You get that? Yes. And then you can go over again, and then you can add some kind of huge and saturation to it if you want, or you can add vibrance to it just like that. On the vibrance, you can get saturation so that you can add that one so that the background will look somehow beautiful. You get that? Yes. And then you can add out those kind of things just to make the background look so much beautiful. Yes, I'm using this. I like this because when you look at the lady's stretch over there, she's is communicating with this and that. You get that? Yes. So that's why I just want to use this, and then it looks so much beautiful. You get that? Yes. And then when you have something like this, it's cool, and you can save it, and it looks so much good. You get that? Yes. And then you can have that, and this looks so much beautiful. So we also transformed that one from here to here, and it has no problem. It looks so much beautiful. You get that? Yes. And I can see it looks so much beautiful. And then the next thing I have to show you, for the last thing that I have to show you, is that when you have something like that, and then you think that this background is very nice, and you want to do some kind of manipulation on it, don't worry, or either blurring it or something, you can select this particular this thing, then you go to filter, then you come to blur, then you can use either motion blur or you use Gaussian blur. Let's use Gaussian blur. Looks so beautiful. You get that? Yes. You can use this one to make it look so much beautiful. At least the radius is 10. You can make it a little bit not that much. Okay, I think this is okay. Then you have something like this over there, and then let's steal something from here. Let's put up this over there so that the shadow there will also pop up. That looks so beautiful. You see, the shadow was not there. The shadow has come up. Let's see something over here. It's already have a shadow, but because we blur it, so we have to make sure that the shadow pop up very well so that it will look so much beautiful. Yes, you get that? Yes. And then when you have something like this, the next thing you can also do over there is that maybe you can change the color, or you can brighten the color. Okay, let's change the color by typing Ctrl U. Yes, typing Ctrl U, and then over this you can choose colorize. Then when you use colorize, you can change the color to any kind of color that you wish. It will be beautiful for that particular image over there. When you use this particular thing, it looks the same thing. Her dress and the background looks the same thing. You get that? So you just have to use a background that she will stand out from the background. You get that? Yes. So just try your hands on, and then choose a very beautiful background. You get that? Yes, very beautiful background. And then you can be adding the saturation to make it. You can, when you are going this way, it's giving you black. When you are moving in, you get what? You get different background altogether. Let's use blue. I like blue. Yes, as you can see, it looks beautiful. Yes. So when you have something like this, it's cool, but let me reduce the saturation a little bit. Okay, this way is okay. Then you click OK. You have a good background. With the same background, you have also achieved something from the same background. You get that? Yes. So if you don't want to use any alternative background, and you want to use this with her own background to do that, you can also do that by having that. Or you can change the background to this, looks beautiful, or you can change the background to that one to look so beautiful. This is how we change background in Photoshop. Yes. And you can use a whole lot of things to do that. You get that? Yes. So this will be our end of the tutorial for today, and thank you very much for watching. This is ABM Graphics. Have a nice day. Bye bye.